Today I'm going to show you how to find, download, and install the software control for your ATEM Mini regardless of which model you have. So step one, let's hop on over to Blackmagic Design's website and click on support. Now regardless of which of these support guys is actually helping you out, whether it's Ruslan, Dimitri, could be Dwayne, David, or Brian, all you have to do is click on ATEM Live Production Switchers and you'll see in this area that you'll have the download available depending on whether you have Windows or Mac. I have a Mac, so I'll just click on download and you can skip all of this information and just click on download only. It's actually a pretty big file. It's 1.4 gigs. Well, with this update anyway. Okay, let's open up this DMG file. Once you have it opened up, just double click on this install ATEM V whatever version you have. All right, here is the installer. Let's go through this. And we're just going to blaze right through all of these things. I will probably have to put in my password so that I can install it. There you go. Here, if you'll just pay attention real quick, my password is MICKEYMOUSE. Okay, let's get this baby installed. Let's open up the software and see what it looks like. So if you don't have your ATEM Mini connected to your computer whenever you open the software, this is the screen that you're going to see. But once you hook up your ATEM Mini, all you have to do is click on connect and you're good to go. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much and we'll see you in the next video.